Yeah, you check it that among the poorest, I don't say that some of them don't prosper. And their job, have belong among the poorest. Is it true? And they beg, always come to you for aid. They will come to ask you for money. But let me tell you, today, the laborers don't take anything less than 8,000. I want to use 7,000. They don't take anything less than 8,000 but I want to use 7,000. If a laborer takes 7,000 a day, out of 6 working days in a week, he worked for only 4 days. He didn't work for only 4 days. You know, some of them work for 6 days, is it true? But now we look 4 days. I want to use 4 days to do my calculation. He worked for 4 days in a week. Then in a month, he will make 112,000. 4 days in a week, he will do 2 days, la hola, J party, whatever thing. He will be making 112,000 in a year. I mean, in a month. Suppose he work for 5 days. Well, 1 day he will be making 140,000. Minimum wage, you're gonna. Some people still earn 30,000, but only receive 140,000 or 114,000. We come to you to beg for school fee. Onwe buche yuneja. Only receive 112,000 for 4 days or 140,000 for 5 days. We come to only 70,000. Say a biko na achụrụ nwa n'ụgwọ akwụkwọ ya nyere ya aka. But this does not mean that hard work is not reward. Hard work is being rewarded. I belong to the group who believe if you don't work, no work, no pay. They belong into that group. In fact, anybody aha alusi olu ike aha anata nwunye. If you are sleeping, I will not wake up toy and you are sleeping. At the end of the day, you don't know what I share. I can't share it with you. I can only share what I have with you who is also struggling. But at the end of the day, make it here, I will share my own because it's not out of my power. Come jinwe. A man, a toto. I make kunola until today. I wake up every morning 3:50 a.m. Nabugodo by 12, Nabu 1, 3:50 a.m. I will wake up. 3:50 a.m. meaning 10 minutes to 4. Go toto. Semje tetola. Nteka mbaho. When I want to know morning devotion, I finish it. The entire family will come together. After the devotion, I would go into exercise. Finish exercise with heat in the bathroom. Before so I'll meet somebody on a day born and kai. Throughout the day. The office and soon knock I'm going to rise and say, "Beck, I'm going to rise." I can't give you. I can't give him. But when I was working, he was enjoying. So the time he's begging, I have to enjoy. Some men, I will share my money with you. Make you see them kai no toto. Ototo afungo. Deecho onye ya zalezi, deecho onye ya alolo ife. If you are doing it, mfu ki ibu ogu de jolo, elocha ebe akwuye pempe, bia ebi aye ke nkem. So let me say, Omin on hard work, though some success in business come through what we must have to do in order to be successful. There's something you must do in order to be successful. The source of success, one, is God. The source of success, one, is God. Then number two, source of success, by taking into consideration some basic principles. The basic principles you must take into consideration. Let me tell you, God has finished his business of making you to be successful. Chukwu efinishigo ihe niile o eme ka i wee bụrụ ọgaranya n'ihe ịga na-eme ka i wee nwee promotion in whatever area of your business. The rest is in your hand. Ọ bụrụ na ị gụọ Jeremiah 29:10, Bible says, this is what the Lord said. When 70 years are completely fulfilled in Babylon, I will come to you and fulfill my good promises to bring you back to the place. Which means God has already made the promise, and the promise is waiting for the time, and time is this our generation. And he goes further in verse 11, says, for I know my thought, I know my plan for you, declare the Lord, plan to prosper you. In ihe Chukwu, na oge luo na ya abịa kpọpụta ya, and oge ahụ wụ now. Oge ahụ wụ now, and kịta ọ sị na enwe ihe ya bụ n'obi ya na plan. Now that plan ya nwere n'obi, number one, is to prosper you and not to harm you. Plan to give you hope and future, to give you hope. Olulanya, which means that Olulanya means tomorrow must be better than today, today must be better than yesterday. That's the plan of God. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. Then one little condition in 13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. Little condition. That little condition, then he goes further. Psalm 24:1. Tell me a father except if that child is a bad child. Once you're a good child in a family, your father can never have something and deny you. My children are Ebuchana. Oh, see, I know that one of my son called me last night, Daddy. He said, yes, I didn't waste time to begin to make call. Oh, we have children in the UK. I didn't waste time because it's my son. I didn't ask him, why do you want it? And that's attitude of God to us. He owns the world and everything in it. So he doesn't waste time in releasing it except if you're a bad son. When God was speaking to the people of Israel, I was trying to tell you that that's why I'm bringing all these things. Open in Deuteronomy 8:17. God said to the people of Israel, you may say to yourself, my power and my strength of my hand has produced this word for me. No, isi ike okolo na alụ and so on us. No. In fact, it was no. But remember, the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you ability to produce wealth and to confirm His covenant. What is God trying to say? With you. Don't want to know Chukwu si na agbagondo with you na enye ọgaranya. So if you dey ọgaranya ka emezuo ọgbụgba ndụ. And Chukwu bụ the last person ya gba ndụ ghara ime. We fail God. God never fail anybody. What happened? On you can we measure to confirm the covenant which I swore to your ancestors as it is today. And let me quickly to minimize time. Then taking into consideration, we need to take into then for God. Every good thing be taking into consideration some basic principles. If God has said this, the path we have. You remember I told you, number one, God. On the side of God, Chukwu atụ ọnụ ọkpọ si aka gosi na okwute emeghe gịnị adịghọ na-emecha na then take on things with then every good thing in life come with price. Hello? Every good thing in life come with a price. Only part you pay. Practically, in a shopping mall, it's open for everybody for takeaway, except with a little condition. I'm with some shopping mall now. Today, the closest big shopping mall I went and there with Roban. I want to buy a Roban today. On a basket, Yana Dowa. Ezoku, Yendi Bagolia. On a new basket, Yana Dowa. Put a blue basket, a banner shop. If it's for me, no, well, no, you know, if I want to feel like it. Iwelote na basket. If all you will like it, iwelote na basket. Echicha hancha ni bunye basket ahụ. Si ebe ahụ etere na apụ. Ndị mmadụ akwụ na-eme ya onye na-eghe ọnụ. So nwa obele condition ka e need iwe buru ego. Gịnị bụ condition? You must pay. God nwere attitude ahụ. Are you hearing me? That little condition, but you must pay. That must be a price you will pay, or you don't have it. That is a price you must pay, or if you don't pay that price, you won't go. Be sure about what you want in life, and doubly sure of what you have in return. Be sure of what you want in life. If you cholo nando, just make it. Then malihi atunye kiwe ha. My last son made his third degree in 24 years. He made his first degree biomedical, mee masters biomedical, no distinction, je mee medicine, and become a doctor in 24 years. But this boy, nje London, na ula, ebe 1 o'clock, mpụta ka nje nye ọma mere mfụ na ọkụ na-enwu, mkpighe n'aka ụzọ, nyo, ọ nọ na kọmputa, ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ, ahapụ anyị na-akwuo, nchighata ọzọ, mkpọọ ya, say, why can't you sleep? Because daddy, I will sleep. Daddy, I will sleep. The time he sleep, I don't know. But he had very early to commute. There was a time when yes, London and Liverpool. Here from somebody, very big book. I buy a train. Omaho, make at home with me in a train. Obudola anya na akwụkwọ I will see London, go Liverpool about 4 hours. Obudola isi na akwụkwọ I look at ebe anyị jere ihe da na-eme obenji onwe one corner because he know he will return that book after 2 days or another. So he want to finish everything he has with that book so that Ona can return. And the book is book that will help him in his exam. So he was paying price for what he want to be. I'm not saying that to Camden, but I was trying to use him to tell you what you must do, the price you will pay to get to where you want. Many of us spend on a chatting. One of the things I hated is draft, ludo, what? But what the worse than them did today. WhatsApp, very beautiful thing, but very deceitful thing. You can pick one person, then they make chatting. One day after chatting, check a time you spend it. Sometimes you spend 1 hour useless. You do 1 hour useless. Half important thing here, chatting with one person. Not business. How are you? You are fine. I'm fine. You go Lagos, you eat, you do the nonsense. And you spend the precious time in doing nothing. Praise the Lord. Examine the life of successful people, and you will find they have paid the price that is in direct proportion to the amount of the success they earn. Port Harcourt. I gave me a chamber. Around 3 p.m. somebody said I'm Chole biafra. Okay, we are by 12. Nene o'clock or after 3. So no, my here na kuno di asembia. Nsiale no aka. Onyewe menen kankwenya. Oluebe Ibasa meeting Nabana Hotel. Onyewe take 11. I bought the cab. Jeb office, a new office, in Madaka junior office, and in Afia, the Bialana Hanway business, Kaju office here. I don't chairman at 12 for Balay. 12 for nail, walk a second, what she see above further. Up what she children, then the next thing, 12 for because of your appointment. The place is Okadu busy. Bagaliche Beni na Bagalele. Ota, Osai Kaina Kaije Nibe. Aije Bie. Bichan Yebe 2 Kaije na hotel. tomorrow if you are na nnukwu moto ọ na-aga ego ya ndị ọmala but what he put to make that money, you don't put it. Yes, when you are sleeping, he is working. The time you are sleeping, they are working. Apart, let me tell you, only once can God make a man like that. After mgbe man adachara ụmụ Israel, man ọ dada ọzọ, ọ ya adanata ọzọ. Chukwu kelu Adam mee ihe niile bido the first day kechechecha ife niile prepare garden of Eden mee everything o mee na-emecha whether Adam na Eve aka kpọkpụọ ha na garden of Eden. What did God tell them? Who can tell me? Onwere leta mmiri ejikwu kpọje onwere leta mefo ọ sị work for it, work. Ọ sị ha igbe jee gụọ Baịbụl tupu asị ha Adam na Eve ihe niile a ndozicha anụ bazienụ ka unu riwe ihe ọ sị emegeno rụrụ ọrụ na ya. Which means if you did not work, you will not eat. Work. Praise the Lord. Then nothing nowhere ever comes easy. As you consider your own goal, also consider what you are willing to sacrifice for what you expect to receive.
Now, this video you watch now, actually you watch the next one. The video is very long and is a very good teaching. So I will post the next video on my YouTube channel, the same man. Yeah, you just watch the next video. You will